In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-date your Obsidian notes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a quick, repeatable setup that timestamps and organizes your daily work so you can track what you did and when you did it. We're going to use Obsidian's community plugins to make this happen, specifically Data View and Day Planner. Don't worry if you've never installed plugins before. This will be simple and I'll explain why each step matters so you feel confident using it every day. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. Make sure you're in the vault where you want this feature, since plugins and their settings apply to the vault you currently have open. If you keep multiple vaults, it's a good habit to double check the vault name in the top bar before you go any further. Now, open Settings. You can get there by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. Settings is where you manage everything from appearance to hotkeys and, in our case, community plugins that add powerful automation and organization to your notes. Inside Settings, look for the Community Plugins section in the left sidebar. This is the catalog for unofficial add-ons created by the community. If it's your first time here, you may see a notice reminding you to review community plugins carefully. That's normal. Take a moment to read it, then continue. Next, click Browse. This opens a searchable list of available plugins. The directory is large, so searching is the fastest way to get exactly what you need without scrolling. In the search bar, type Data View. Data View lets you query your notes like a database, which is extremely helpful for reviewing tasks by date later. When you find it, click Install. After installation finishes, click Enable so it's active in your vault. Installing without enabling won't turn on the functionality, so make sure you see that it's enabled before moving on. With Data View set up, repeat the process for Day Planner. Use the search, select the plugin, click Install, and then Enable. Day Planner is the key to the auto-dating behavior you're looking for. It creates a dedicated daily note and a timeline where you can capture tasks tied to specific days. This helps keep your work organized chronologically, which is great for planning and for looking back at your progress. When both plugins are enabled, close the settings window to return to your workspace. You're ready to use the new tools. If you don't see any changes immediately, that's okay. Day Planner adds an icon to the app's left sidebar. It can look like a small clock or calendar depending on your theme. Click the Day Planner icon on the left sidebar. This opens the Day Planner view. If your sidebar is hidden, move your cursor toward the left edge to reveal it. The Day Planner panel centers your work around dates, and when you interact with it, it creates or opens a dated daily note for you. That's where the auto-dating really shines. In the Day Planner view, type in a task. Keep it short and clear, like draft status update or review meeting notes. You can add as many tasks as you need. The important part is that you're entering them through the Day Planner interface so they're captured in the daily context it manages. Now click on the date in the Day Planner and start entering your task details. Selecting the date anchors your entries to that day. Day Planner will create or open the daily note with the correct date in the title, and your tasks will live there. This gives you a consistent structure where each day has its own page, automatically labeled by date, with your tasks listed in order. From here, you can keep using that daily page throughout the day. Add tasks as they come up, check them off as you finish them, and return tomorrow to a fresh, correctly dated page. Later, if you want to summarize your week, Data View can help you pull tasks by date or status so you can see everything at a glance. That's it. Your Obsidian is now set up to auto-date your notes through Day Planner, with Data View ready for powerful reviews down the line. Keep this routine, and you'll always know what you did and when you did it. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.